This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Monday. Going to talk about Bitcoin, crypto, how Bitcoin is over $72,000. And of course, as I said that, it dropped just below. It's at 71.7 now, and I'm just so happy to be here because I was watching the charts all weekend. So good morning, everyone. Welcome to the show. If you are here, you're ready for the zest, the education, and all the crazy news that's happening on a Monday, make sure you smash the likes, subscribe to the channel, and share this stream out with friends because people need to know what's going on. Also, you guys need to check out our 3 amazing sponsors. Everything you need in crypto is on this channel. That includes Cake Wallet. That includes Cipher. Links are in the live chat as well as the description. Use code ZESTY for 20% off of Cipher and Crypto Savings Expert, where you can get all your crypto education and news. Save 15% off your monthly plan or 15% off your first year or your whole year with code ZESTY. So make sure you guys check out these links in the live chat as well as the description because we have some amazing partners on this channel. And we're going to see what's happening with Bitcoin. Make sure, again, you guys are smashing the likes, subscribing, sharing the stream out with friends. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 viewers, and we're going to get after it, guys. We're going to get after it. Jake with the money gun, thank you. Thank you guys for helping me achieve my goals on TikTok already. David, what's up? VSN, nice to see you. Is this a podcast? Yes, it is. Mrs. Scrooge, thank you for the hand hearts and helping me achieve my goal so early. I appreciate you guys so very much. All right, let's say good morning to everyone here on YouTube. Who do we got? Who we got? We got my girl, Alexandra G. Beautiful, beautiful. So great to see you. So great to see you. We have S-Dog, nice to see you. Mike Volmer, Randy, Ray K, nice to see you. Mark Smithson, John Germain, True, nice to see you. Bulldog, Eric, Tom Allen. Oh my gosh, some beautiful people today. Lazarus, what's up? Who else? All set. James Kellogg, hello. John Legend, hello. Crypto Cajun, nice to see you. Donato is here. Dave P. Chris A. says, let's go with Turbo Bullish. I love the sound of that. Tim Taylor, good morning to you. QF Stop said, yo, 70K, I feel that. Hoggle the Door, nice to see you. We have Zonk Jesse from X, nice to see you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Galaxy, what's up? Good morning. Joe Harvey, Wifey Wick, Morn, Rob got it. Oh gosh, James ZBT, nice to see you. Crimson. Dusty, what's up? Habibi from X, good morning to you. Rob C, Crypto Farmer. Hello, everybody. Oh my gosh, Severe Volume, nice to see you. Good morning from X. Jason Owen. Hello, Jason Owen. Zarkov, good morning. Johnny said good morning from New Jersey on his day off. Happy day off to you. What a day to have a day off. Steven is in the chat. Scott Rhodes, LL Cool Turtle. I like that name. Oval is in the chat. Nismo, Curtis, Dave Trader on X. Oh gosh. Good morning, Tim. MetaMask, Chump Changes in the chat. Good morning, everybody. Hello, Diesel Keen. Feeling blessed. Oh gosh. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for the raid, Chump Change. I appreciate it. Dubai Money, nice to see you. Guys, we are getting after it. Again, make sure you guys smash these likes, subscribe to the channel, share this stream out with friends because we have a lot to cover today. Offbeat, nice to see you. Hercules, good morning to you on TikTok. Hello, everyone. Fun Place. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right, guys. Glenn, good morning to you, my friend. Pharaoh Towers. All right, guys, we basically have 150 people here, so let's get those 150 likes. We are going to cover what's going on first. I guess I have to jump into the charts because it's just too good to not jump into right now, beginning of the show. And this is what we got. We got $71,385 Bitcoin. This morning, we have been fluctuating quite a bit, trying to stay above this 71.5, but most importantly, we have this high of around 72,420 to be even more specific, which is how zesty is that? Now, we're trying to keep pushing these levels. Obviously, new all-time highs today. There is no other level that has ever come close to such level. And we opened the day at 69,000, which was, again, the all-time high of 2021. And again, we keep finding ourselves at this level, trying to test it. And now over the weekend, as Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we are getting after it. Now, Mondays typically are volatile days to trade. So, of course, I'm always advising you guys to have a bullish and bearish case scenario. And again, the next level, this is blue skies, man. So we really don't know what is next. We are in price discovery. People, again, did not think we would get this far, considering all of the plays that are going on right now, especially because we have our 4-year cycle maxis that swore that Bitcoin would not hit all-time highs, especially before the halving. And we see where we are now, which, again, makes you have that contrarian point of view that you cannot go with the flow of what everybody else says, and you have to have your own bullish and bearish scenario and make sure that you have every single play in your head. Now, of course, during times of volatility, I will issue the warning every single time I come on the show, which is exchanges typically have problems when Bitcoin runs up, when Bitcoin runs down. Either way, when there's volatility, there will be exchanges that will not let you access your accounts because they are overloaded with so many server problems. Listen, guys, it happens every cycle. It's the same thing. It's no different. Make sure you have your crypto off of the exchange and in your own wallet. Secure those keys, guys. Secure those keys. Now, we do have a lot of things going on this morning between Donald Trump and Michael Saylor just going off on CNBC. So it kind of started off with MicroStrategy. This morning, Michael Saylor tweeted that he completed an $800 million offering of convertible notes and, of course, is using that money to buy Bitcoin. He was on, again, CNBC this morning talking about quite a few things, and especially how Bitcoin is going to eat gold and has all the great attributes of gold, and especially how, as he is buying Bitcoin, he plans to hold it for over 100 years. Here we go.
Bitcoin crossing the $70,000 mark for the first time on Friday this morning. It's now above $72,000. Joining us right now to talk Bitcoin is Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy Executive Chairman. An 8K out from the company this morning, revealing it just bought more than $800 million in Bitcoin. As of the end of last month, his company held about 200,000 Bitcoins. And Michael, I want to thank you for joining us. You have been early and courageous, and you continue to double down. I want to talk about where you think Bitcoin is, but also want to talk about how you think about MicroStrategy and your company as a proxy for Bitcoin now that ETFs are available to the public.
Sure. Well, I think I'd start just with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is certainly at least digital gold. It's going to eat gold. It's got all of the great attributes of gold, and it's got none of the defects of gold. If you could teleport gold from New York to Tokyo in a few minutes, people would like it. It's going to divert capital from risk assets and risk ETFs like SPY, and you can see that these ETFs are doing that. It's going to be incorporated into a lot of funds like the BlackRock Global Opportunities Fund or the Strategic Income Opportunities Fund. And so as it's an asset class. As it goes into other funds, it's going to become structural. The halving is going to cut the organic supply of natural sellers in half around April 20th. That means there's only about $32 million a day of natural sellers. And the price of Bitcoin is going to have to adjust up in order to meet that investor demand. So I think that's what's going to happen next to the.
Yep. And especially with the halving coming up, this wasn't the only thing he said. Let's tune into right here.
As we're able to, we've got a very functional options market. We've got a very functional debt market. And we've got a very stable operating business that we can use. If you look at our last result, we actually bought a lot of Bitcoin with operating cash or cash out of the operating business, and that is purely accretive to our shareholders. So we think we're unique, and that's working very, very well right now.
Hey, Michael, do you think long-term that there's any risk at this point? Has Bitcoin reached such escape velocity that there's any risk that governments, the U.S. government, Chinese government, other governments, somehow do something to Bitcoin that puts its growth in jeopardy?
You know, it's another great question, Andrew. A lot of times the skeptics, they say Bitcoin looks too good to be true. It's so good to be true. Someone's going to take it away from you. And that's based on a fundamental misunderstanding about Bitcoin. People refer to it as currency or digital currency, and that's unfortunate historical artifact. It's not digital currency. It's digital property. And once you make that big leap and understand it's property, you see the compelling use case is capital preservation for everyone in the world. There's no anathema associated with owning property. You can own $1 billion building in New York City. You can own every place in the world where they allow you to own property, which means China, Europe, the US. They're going to embrace Bitcoin as digital property. All the controversial issues around cryptos have to do with their use as a medium of exchange. But what I'm here to say really is medium of exchange is only worth $1 trillion. Store of value is worth $100 trillion. So I give your company, I give your family, I give your institution $1 billion. I drop you in Africa and I say, you got to save the capital for 100 years. What are you going to buy? And the answer is nothing. There is nothing on the entire continent you can buy that's better than Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's going to be embraced as property. It's going to be controversial if people think of it as a currency. So I would encourage people to think of it as digital property, $1 billion building in cyberspace. And hold it for 100 years.
Does it ever have to be a currency, or do you think it ever becomes a quote unquote currency?
It doesn't have to be a currency. Nobody's trying to buy a cup of coffee with a fraction of their building on Fifth Avenue. Right. But every rich person I know owns property in London or New York City or somewhere. And none of them complain about not being able to spend their building as a medium of exchange. So the killer application is capital preservation for everybody. The store of value is the killer use case. Medium of exchange is a distraction. Governments are always going to issue currency. They're always going to make it legal tender. And that's just fine. Bitcoin's competing with gold. It's going to eat it. And then it's competing with risk assets as a long-term hold. And it's competing with you buying an Airbnb as a retirement income source if you're a middle-class person.
Burn. Absolute burn. And here's the thing. Michael Saylor made some good points. And like I said, it's hard because I do think that Bitcoin is a currency. It is a medium of exchange. So that's kind of where I disagree. But at the same time, it's almost really not feasible to be a medium of exchange at this point because, again, it takes too long to confirm. The fees are a little bit too high. Even Lightning Network, there are a lot of issues with Lightning Network. So I would just say that, yeah, Bitcoin is more property than currency from one aspect to another, because we even have other countries where people really are transacting in Bitcoin a lot more often because of their currencies currently getting devalued. The way I kind of think about everything Michael Saylor said is he even mentioned Litecoin at one point or another, and it leads me back to the same thing over and over again, is that Bitcoin is going to price people out. Ethereum will price people out. So what is next? What is going to be that medium of exchange? Because he's preaching Bitcoin is not that medium of exchange, but he knows crypto is the future. And he knows the same aspects of Bitcoin are in other coins like Litecoin that are faster and cheaper, have 4x the supply. That's it. So that's the medium of exchange. And I think that's really where he's headed eventually with that. So he says there is no second best investment. He didn't say there's no second best medium of exchange. And that's where we fall down into that rabbit hole. So all the Bitcoin maxis might poop their pants at one point or another when he finally spits it out. But that's really where that whole thing takes me. We're going to continue on because, again, Michael Saylor dropping bombs. Again, over $800 million of Bitcoin being bought today. 12,000 Bitcoin for $821.7 million. They now hold 205,000 Bitcoin that were acquired at an average price of $33,700 per Bitcoin. So he's doing pretty good. He's been buying since the bottom. He said he'll keep buying the top forever because he plans to hold for hundreds of years, which, again, this is generational wealth and something that nobody can take from you, which is blissful and gorgeous. Now, another piece of huge news, which is Donald Trump. And again, Donald Trump, let's cue his sound.
China.
We have Donald Trump this morning. Donald Trump was going off too. He was talking about, and again, I kept saying, when is he going to bring up Bitcoin? When is he going to bring up his NFT collection? And he finally brought it up. And it's something that obviously I pay attention to quite a bit. And we're going to dive into it, especially because he said that if he became president, there would be no CBDCs in America, which is very bullish for America. However, I have been saying it. He loves his dollars because he's a businessman. He has a lot of them. He wants to maintain them, maintain their value. But also, if the US dollar collapses, that's bad for the United States. And he wants the United States to maintain their power as a country. So it makes sense as to why he wants the US dollar to remain as maybe it's a supreme currency throughout the world and a medium of exchange, a store of value. However, he knows that Bitcoin is inevitable and it is reaching some beautiful, beautiful levels, especially when people are paying with it. And he has his own ordinal collection on top of Polygon and his wife releasing an NFT on Solana. So take a look.
Well, it's taken its own life. I do little things sometimes for fun and, make money with it, but I have fun with it too.
You mean
NFTs.
You bought Bitcoin?
No, but I sometimes will let people pay through Bitcoin, or will let people get involved in a new, if you think of it, it's an additional form of currency. And I used to say, I want one currency. I want the dollar. I don't want people leaving the dollar, and I feel that way.
Oh gosh.
Hiya Randy, I'd love to send you some physical gifts. Could you please provide me with a public PO box where I can send them? 0.0525149 LTC.
Hello, Mr. Teen. I appreciate that. Maybe I don't know. You can email me and find out about that. But thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for the $5 in Litecoin.
The dollar, and I feel that way. But I will tell you, it has taken on a life. I did a thing that people smile at, but it was wild. We did 1,000 sneakers, so limited edition sneaker run. The last one, and you could go through, our crazy new currencies, because that's what I call them. They're crazy, whether it's Bitcoin or
crazy
others.
New currencies.
And so many people were buying these things. And ultimately, the last pair of sneakers sold for approximately, I hear, $450,000. It was a limited edition, a run. They were gold. They were, nice, cute. And we thought it was just a very small thing. It was a branding thing, and had a good time with it. The last pair sold for $450,000. People were going crazy for these sneakers. You probably were too. Everybody was. I have every friend I have has called me for a pair of sneakers. So it just took off. And I noticed that so many of them were paid for with this with the new currency.
The crypto.
And it is that. It's a new cryptocurrency. And I couldn't believe the amount. And I'm saying, this thing has really, and other things I do, people are using it. And, I would be, I'm very much a traditionalist. I like staying with the dollar. You know that from when I was there. It's make the dollar the choice. I hate when countries go off the dollar. I would not allow countries to go off the dollar, because when we lose that standard, that will be like losing a revolutionary war. That will be a hit to our country, just like losing a war. And we can't let that happen. And too many countries now are fighting to get off the dollar. And frankly, and I know Jay feels strongly about this, and Jay did a fantastic job, by the way, in a group where there's always scandal and problems. Jay went through 4 years. There wasn't one scandal. I don't know, Jay, maybe you can tell me, but there wasn't one scandal. That is the most scandalous position, because it involves massive amounts of money. With Jay Clayton, we had no scandal, zero, nothing whatsoever. So I thought it was great. But I have seen there has been a lot of use of that, and I'm not sure that I'd want to take it away at this point.
Oh, Trumpy, Trumpy, Trumpy. He says there's a lot of use of Bitcoin, that he's not sure he would want to take it away. And he says sometimes he lets people pay with Bitcoin because it's an additional form of currency, even though, again, he's not trying to say that, again, he's so bullish on Bitcoin, but he is saying that he acknowledges it, that he knows it exists, it's not going away, and this is a preferable way to pay for a lot of people. Now, Trump, again, he is a dollar man, and the exact same thing. It's crazy how on point we are on this channel. The exact same thing that we said a while ago about Trump releasing these NFT collections. Is this just him messing around to find out and grabbing some cash on the way? And that's exactly what he said during this interview, is that he knows that he played around. He said it was a branding thing in marketing just to try to pull in some crypto people. And he said he made a lot of money really quick, which is, again, what he cares about. He's a businessman. He cares about his money. But again, he did acknowledge Bitcoin as a currency, as people are saying in the chat, which is something good. It's something nice, and it's something that can move us forward. However, did he say that if he was in the new administration, he returns, is he going to regulate the space? Is he going to remove Gary Gensler? Is he going to make sure that there is some crypto clarity in where people can create businesses, they can have exchanges, people are able to trade freely, whatever crypto they want to have, they're able to mine Bitcoin in this country? That's where I feel like that should have went, instead of him, again, keep promoting his stuff, which is fine. It's a great use case for crypto. However, he needs to talk about, as president, what he would do with this space. And would he allow Bitcoin to be something like legal tender, where people can spend it freely and not get taxed every time they sell it or purchase something with it? So we need actual things going on. We need actual clarity as to what his plans are if he becomes president with crypto. And a lot of people are single issue voters. He has other competitors like RFK Jr. that are going to keep talking about Bitcoin and how they want to regulate crypto, and that they're a fan of the whole space. Did Donald Trump mention Polygon just now? No, which is where majority of his NFTs are. So he needs to keep mentioning blockchain. He needs to mention more than Bitcoin and acknowledge that there's a whole space here that he is utilizing and that he could use for a ton of other things within this country to verify multiple things, and especially voting, where that seems to be a huge issue in this country, and especially a big issue of his, especially because blockchain could solve it. It's something he should acknowledge. So that's just my opinion. Yeah, RFK is running as an independent now, so he's not on either side. So he's kind of like the moonshot for our presidential candidate. However, he is someone that said he would regulate crypto and he would bring in some clarity to this country, which we need. And we need to be ahead while he's talking about Donald Trump, people in other countries, and the whole movement of de-dollarization. He knows the dollar is at risk. So why not promote Bitcoin, promote freedom in this country that will bring economic prosperity and benefit the dollar? Bitcoin could benefit the dollar. So that's just the whole thing that I think he's just missing the point of. But guys, make sure you guys smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out with friends. Why do I even say anything anymore? I have sound.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Bing bong to all of you. We had 3 more likes for 100. Pamp that up. I also want to do a quick subby count. Let's do a quick subscriber count. Let's see. Woohoo! We are pamping 15,701 subscribers. That is beautiful. Make sure you guys smash the likes and subscribe, because we have a goal of 15,715. So we have 14 more. So make sure, again, you guys are liking, subscribing, sharing the stream out with friends. We have a beautiful amount of people here. You guys are absolutely stunning people. Let's get it. 14 more subscribers, guys. Let's do it. Hold on, guys. Can I get a...
The sound check.
Baby, it's the sound check. I'm gonna check this one.
Why don't you check yours too?
Oh, I love that song. Shout out to PMB and the Jimmy. Cause we're going to the Jimmy. It's gonna be a real good time. Michael, thank you for the hi bear. That's so cute. I love that. Thank you. All right, so I'm still looking at Bitcoin. She's trying to battle 72K right now. Come on, you got it, Bitcoin, go. Yeah, we're over 72K. I don't know. I'm waiting for a nice move, guys. I'm trying to watch this as the news is going through.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
It's happening.
Oh, Boo Man, it's always happening. Thank you for the $10 super chat. I appreciate you so very much, Boo Man. You know I appreciate you. You know. But yes, we're at 72.1 right now. This is the 15-minute chart. The VWAP is trying to spike back up here. I don't know, guys. I'm waiting for the next move. Because I guess the resistance, at least on the 5-minute, is the 72.3. Let's go to the minute. Yeah. We'll keep watching. It has to stay above 72K. And we're going to see if it holds. Because we, again, had these lows to around 71.3. And it keeps picking back up. So, I don't know. Could this be like, you know, a nice little move? We're in complete price discovery right now. So, let's keep an eye on that. Ooh. 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 Oh, poop. 72.1? Ah. Oh, whoa. Bitcoin, hold on. Slow down for a second. 72.3. Oh gosh, Mr. Delulu.
Do you believe Satoshi Nakamoto is married? Imagine if his spouse were to sell the 1 million bitcoins before the halving. 0.103598999 LTC.
If Satoshi's smart, he wouldn't let his wife touch his private keys, and she wouldn't even know how to do it. I would love to know how Satoshi stores his Bitcoin, you know, because definitely old-fashioned, definitely like ground floor on a, like, I don't even know, how would you store that? There were no private keys at the time, so like, how does Satoshi store his Bitcoin? I would love to know how that is sitting right now after all these years. I can't believe this. So what did we hit? That wick high of 72,366. Nice. And it seems like we're cooling off a little bit. Wow, look at this go, guys. I saw a little mini pimp. We just saw a mini pimp. Wow. No way, man. No way. No way. This is gorgeous. Oh my God, are we making another run with Bitcoin right now? Come on, Bitcoin, go. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. 341. No way. Are we going to make another run with Bitcoin? No. No way. 72,330. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. Especially if we close these candles. If we close this candle above right here. Oh, wow. Oh, gee whiz. Oh, gee whiz. Oh, wow. I'm so shook. That is beautiful. Guys, we're going off right now. I don't know. Do we stay? Do we stick around? Do we continue with the news? I guess we gotta. I guess we gotta continue on. But this is so crazy to watch. This is so crazy to watch. I love this. I absolutely love this. Wow. Okay. All right. Boom Man, you said you meant something else. Hold on, let me go back to your super chat here. It's happening. Oh, you meant 75K. Okay, I understand. I understand what you meant. Yeah, 75K, man. I hope it happens. I'm waiting for it. I'm just super excited, man. I'm super excited for everything that's happening with Bitcoin. This is so bullish, like everything that's going on, especially because it was something that nobody thought would happen at this point. Like I said, it's just absolute madness. Absolute madness. Shout out to Wick for the $2 super chat, my friends. Again, like my bots are so messed up. $2 billion worth of shorts liquidated at 75K Bitcoin. I don't know. Is that what the play is right now? We have to see what happens because again, how do we know? Could we have a retrace? Are we going to keep going? Right now we have a red dot that's printed, so it's a little bit iffy. It's a little bit iffy. And especially like Bitcoin's doing really well. Like it's getting bought back up constantly. It's retracing. I love the movement. Like it comes back down, goes back up. That's healthy price movement. It's way better than like these crazy wicks that just soar and then you just have to watch the craziness, because if it shoots up like a few $1,000s, like it's going to come back down. And we saw that happen literally the other day, where we were watching it hit all-time highs. It cracked all-time highs, went down a few K, and had to sideways trade basically throughout the whole weekend, and has been kind of boom, come to where it is now. Michael J, hello. Michael, oh gosh, we have Michael J, Michael B in the chat, Bionic. Oh gosh, hello everyone. Yeah, so we're going to keep watching Bitcoin. It's at 72.3 right now. It's about to break all-time highs again. The all-time highs now are $72,420 about. I could get the exact price right now if y'all would like, which I will do for my own well-being. Oh gosh, the advertisements. Stop with these advertisements. All right, yeah, $72,422 was our all-time high. So that's quite the number. I'm not going to lie to you. That's quite the number. So we're going to see what happens again. Bitcoin is kind of sitting at 72.2. I really want to see it hit that 72.4 again and see where we go. Shout out to Mark for subscribing to the channel. What do we got? Woo! 11 more. Let's go. Stunning, man. Stunning. And what we're seeing with Bitcoin is absolutely gorgeous, especially when we have the crypto trading volume exceeding stock market trading volume in South Korea. So people are, again, blatantly, the statistics, the numbers are showing you that obviously people want to invest in Bitcoin and crypto over the stock market, especially when the stock market is completely corrupt.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Would you be able to purchase a cup of coffee and a bagel for Randy?
Oh, hello, Kimberly. If you would like me to, I will.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh, James.
You're welcome.
$4.99 from James ZBT.
James, that's your first ever super chat. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I just got rained on with love. Thank you, guys. Holy poop. Thank you. Wow. Thank you, guys. That's a rain of love. So the trading volume of crypto is exceeding the stock market in South Korea. This is ridiculous, and I love to see it. We have local media reporting that the trading volumes of South Korea-based crypto exchanges totaled a record of 11.8 trillion won on Sunday, or at least 9 billion at the going USD Korean won exchange rate. This topped Friday's South Korean stock trading volume of around $8.7 billion. This is a combined transaction amount of Korea's 5 largest won markets, including Upbit, Bithumb, Coin1, GoPax, and Coin1. These top 5 crypto markets were the won-traded pairs of Bitcoin, Space ID, IQ Protocol, 0xZRX, and Shiba Inu, out of all freaking things. Apparently, the Koreans consider they favor the high-risk, high-return investments because they experience a rapidly growing economy. And it goes to show yet again that people in the U.S. are weenies and they're old versus other countries where they're openly saying, like, and the market speaks for itself, we want crypto. So that's basically the way it's going right now. The money knows, especially smart money and retail, we know what the future is. We know that we obviously have a world where the stock market is not as bright as it used to be. The gains are not there too, especially where it's a completely controlled market. If they don't like where it's going, they will shut it off. Oh my gosh, we're approaching all-time highs again. Oh my gosh, did we just say all-time highs? Oh my gosh, guys, we're battling all-time highs. Holy poop, holy poop. Holy poop, holy poop. New all-time highs for Bitcoin! 72,428. Let's go! Oh my sheesh. Guys, we just hit Bitcoin all-time highs again on the stream. I don't care if it was by like literally $2. We hit Bitcoin all-time highs again on the stream. 430. Let's go. Wow! Oh my God, my heart rate. My heart. Guys, all-time highs again live on this channel. Oh my gosh. No way. The resistance is at $72,420. Holy wow. 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 This is crazy. This is crazy. I am losing the noodle. I am losing the noodle. Wow. No way. No way. We just watched Bitcoin all-time highs again. Again on this channel. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at her go. Look at her go. Oh my gosh, no way.
You're welcome.
Hello, Lee. Welcome.
You're welcome.
$9.99 from Lee Holafai, GM
Bitcoin
Randy.
all-time highs, and
Let's
we're still
go
in Jesus
Bitcoin
coin.
and dollar Jesus coin.
Oh
Praying
gosh,
gesture,
thank you though. I
heart.
appreciate it. No way, Bitcoin just hit all-time highs again on stream. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Hello, Killing him. Hello. When am I taking profits? I don't tell people what to do, and I don't tell people what I do. Oh my sheesh. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is ridiculous. I'm loving this. Dude, no way. New Bitcoin all-time highs again. We hit all-time highs.
Thank you.
Again.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Here's to catching another all-time high during your stream.
Oh, thank you, Boo Man. I appreciate you so much. Oh my gosh, no way. Boo Man, like this is history. Thank you for that. Thank you for appreciating the history, man. Holy wow. I'm like losing my mind a little bit. Let's check on the subscribers. Holy poop. Guys, 7 more. Let's get 715. Come on, guys. Pamp it. 7 more subscribers. Let's go. Oh my gosh. We have 138 out of 200 likes. Make sure you pamp up the likes and the subscribes. You don't want to miss this. This is absolute history happening every day on this channel. Now, we did hit that 70 to 420, basic 430, 448 technically. And now we did dump down to this little wick, 71.9. And now we're coming back. I need 72K to be defended. But again, this new resistance is quite mighty. It's quite mighty. I'm not going to lie to you. Wow. We just make all-time highs again. That's so magical. I can't even tell you how magical that is. Oh my gosh, no way. Yeah, so we have very bullish news. Like I said, the South Korean stock market not even coming close to the amount of volume that Bitcoin and crypto trading is going on in the country. So now we do have some more bullish news as well, where the UK's FCA has opened the door for institutional investors to build crypto-backed ETN markets. So these are exchange-traded notes similar to what we know as ETFs or ETPs in the United States. Now, of course, the UK, they're tyrannical. I don't like them. Their leadership is absolutely horrible, and our leadership isn't much better, but theirs is a little bit worse. And they love their CBDCs. They love talking smack. And we see the SCA say it will not object to requests from registered investment exchanges, RIEs, to build a listed market segment for crypto exchange traded notes, ETNs. The regulator said in a press release on Monday, the products would be available for professional investors, including the investment firms and credit institutions. They're a type of exchange-traded product often issued by a bank or an investment manager that tracks an underlying index or assets. The London Stock Exchange confirmed it will accept applications for Bitcoin and ETH ETNs in the second quarter of the year. Already a little bit ahead of the United States, where they're going to take applications, but it seems as though they're a little bit more bullish on it. Oh, I don't know if they're really going to accept them, if they're going to promote it. However, there's a big need for Bitcoin, and there's obviously a lot of investment that people want to make in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and get some sort of exposure to it, which is coming through in things like ETFs and ETNs if you're in the UK, where, again, you could get that exposure. The thing that keeps kind of gnawing at me a little bit, keeps like rearing at me a little bit, is that the UK, they're saying, oh yeah, we're going to have these ETNs and it's going to be Bitcoin and ETH, which sounds great. However, it's not really fantastic considering that it's only for institutions. And you're seeing again and again, time after time, where we know that we have retail that's always excluded institutions. Of course, they're going to make rules and give access to the institutions because they want the rich to get richer. And the same kind of thing is going on in India, where the crypto investment platform Mudrex is going to offer US Bitcoin ETFs to Indian investors, but only institutions. We see the Indian crypto platform Mudrex plans to offer US spot Bitcoin ETFs to institutional and retail investors in India. The CEO and co-founder Adul Patel said, they said, this is much more valuable to institutions, as this was already available to retailers. Retail clients in the country could access this through some companies, the US spot Bitcoin ETFs, but as far as they know, they're the first in India to offer the service to institutions, and they're clearly the first Indian crypto platform to offer the service. It's backed by Y Combinator, based in California, and has a subsidiary registered with the Intelligence Unit of India. It has a toehold in the European Union with licenses in Lithuania and Italy as well. The firm will ensure the processing of the actual transactions through broker partners in the US, while the Indian subsidiary will facilitate the spot Bitcoin ETF service. So again, they care about the institutions and they don't care about the retail. So they're saying that the retail could get some access to some US ETFs through some companies, but it's not really something that's widespread or really easily accessible. Whereas they're coming in and saying, we're going to make it accessible, but only for the rich. And people love the institutions because, again, they bring a lot of money in. However, we need that equal access and that even playing field to be given to retail when, again, it's constant that institutions get the push and people that are regular do not get that same opportunity.
£2 from Crypto Killer Jules. Be nice about UK. We ain't all bad.
No, I know. The UK is cool, like I said, but the leadership and how they talk about crypto, I don't enjoy. And I said the same thing in the United States, where they have all these countries, they're not politically aligned, they're not besties, but at the same time, they have the same goals, which is CBDCs and taking over your life, which is what the UK wants to do, what the whole EU wants to do. All these other countries. So yeah, the UK could be a cool spot, but at the same time, what they're doing with crypto is not really what I enjoy, especially when, again, the institutions are constantly getting ahead, when retail is getting left behind. So that's really my opinion on the whole thing. But thank you, KJ. I appreciate you. I really do. I really do. All right, let's check in. Is this still? I think my ticker is stuck. My ticker is definitely stuck. Let me go fix that. Oh, no, now she's moving. Okay. 72.1. What's going on, Bitcoin? See, she's trying to come back and defend that 72K. I know what she's trying to do, and I hope she succeeds in her mission. I hope she succeeds in the mission. Again, this resistance right here is tough as nails, and we got to get through it. We just need that volume to keep coming in. The money flow, it looks okay, but it needs to be more zesty. It needs to be more zesty. Oh gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait to see what happens. I hope we have another nice move on the show. I hope we have another nice move. And what isn't a nice move is Worldcoin. Oh gosh, Worldcoin. I hate Worldcoin more than anything. I really hate Worldcoin, especially because Sam Altman runs it. He doesn't really care about humanity. He wants to, of course, keep taking over the entire world, which is why he named the coin Worldcoin, because he wants to take over the entire world, especially with his very skewed chat GPT. And Worldcoin told Blockworks that it plans to take legal action against Spain because Spain doesn't really want them in the country. And there was a Spanish data protection agency moved to block data collection from Sam Altman-backed company earlier this week. Sam claims, and all these people claim, that they're fully compliant. Quote, Worldcoin is fully compliant with all laws and regulations governing biometric data collection and data transfer, including Europe's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. As such, we have been in consistent and ongoing dialogue with our lead data privacy authority in the EU, BLDA, for months. We are disappointed with the Spanish regulator circumvented the accepted EU process and rules, which leaves us with little recourse but to file suit. Worldcoin reiterated that it has regularly responded to BLDA requests for months and operated lawfully in Spain and other European countries. The Spanish Data Protection Agency, AEPD, gave WorldCoin 72 hours to comply with the order to pause data collection and destroy already collected data, which Sam Altman never wants to do because he wants everything to himself. The AEPD have received several complaints against the company about insufficient information, the collection of data from minors, and the fact that consent cannot be withdrawn, among other infringements. Because they want to take everything. They want to take everything from you. This is typical. This happens all the time, especially with someone like Sam Altman that, again, wants to take over the entire world. And you think that he's not going to integrate all your biometric data with ChatGPT? Like, let's be real. We know what the whole point of this is so that they see all your stuff. They have your person, they have your eyeball, they have all your data, they have control over your life, and then they mush it with AI so that they could predict what you're going to do before you do it, just like how they're doing with CBDCs. They're going to geofence you, try to predict what you do, censor everything that you do with it. And of course, we don't have control over the biometric data that they collect, how they distribute it, and how safe this actually is. Of course, the whole overlapping thing is your money, financial freedom, which they don't want you to have. WorldCoin's whole goal is universal basic income. And there have been people on this YouTube platform within the crypto community that were openly sponsored by these people and promoted universal basic income. If you are in this space and you promote universal basic income, what are you doing? Like, we are here for freedom, censorship resistant transactions, actually being able to own something, which is entirely what WorldCoin doesn't want you to have. They want you to have universal basic income. They're openly trying to work with governments. I don't understand what's going on here and how people support something like WorldCoin. If you like Bitcoin, you like freedom, why would you support and give liquidity to something like this, where of course they're going to dump it on your heads anyway? Happens every time. Happens every time. So ridiculous. And of course, also the other part, besides universal basic income, is account abstraction. So they're going to want you to give your private keys to something like WorldCoin, Visa, MasterCard, all these people, so that way they could do automated transactions for you. Oh, we could account recover for you. You lose your private keys, we give you your account back. No, this is not why we're here. And we're here for being our own bank and self-sovereignty. That's it. Ty, thank you. Hi, J. Crow. Hello, everybody. All right, let's see what's going on. Let's see. As we're battling 72K Bitcoin, we see people like Coinbase are saying the crypto market could face some short-term headwinds. We'll get into what those short-term headwinds could be. Despite Bitcoin hitting all-time highs, the markets are faced with some macro headwinds and negative technical factors in the short term, which may limit gains. Coinbase is saying the short covering move that contributed to the initial upside now appears to be exhausted, but the U.S. ETFs continue to be a meaningful anchor for Bitcoin demand. And again, since this was written literally this morning at 6:12, Bitcoin has gone up substantially since then. Not completely substantially, but a little bit since then. So we're still seeing some nice moves with Bitcoin in the overall market here. As they were saying that we might face some liquidity concerns that we had in the previous cycles as well. But we're not really seeing that this time. And we have the regional bank saying that there might be a little bit of an opportunity for the financial system, showing its vulnerabilities and how Bitcoin is just being amazing.
$20 from 3 Diglets. OMG, I had to run some errands and didn't even realize Bitcoin was at $72,000. Yes, sir. Party popper, party popper, party popper.
Yeah, 3 diggies. Thank you for the $20. Yeah, man, it's valid. It's valid. Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is pumping. 72K, man, it's wild to see. It really is. Like, it really is wild. So again, we have a few things that are going on. Coinbase says they might be a little bit bearish, But we do have the halving coming up. We do have, again, that supply of Bitcoin that is going to be cut in half. Well, obviously not the overall supply, but the minted supply will be cut in half. And it's something that, of course, the miners are going to have to deal with in the overall market, because people are buying more Bitcoin now than is being minted per day. Which means that, again, if the amount that's getting minted per day gets cut in half, it's even more of this supply shock that's going to hit the market. And people don't realize how much of a supply shock is going to occur because they're not thinking of the macro, and they're not even thinking of the short term, where, of course, retail is going to FOMO in at one point or another, and they're going to see that there's only a few million Bitcoin, probably even less now, that's tied to centralized exchanges. And what does that mean? That there's a finite supply and billions of people in this world compared to a few million Bitcoin that are left for people to get right now.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Where can I purchase MTC cookies online from you? 0.0520000078
I gotta see Anonymous. Thank you for the $5. Thank you. I appreciate it. I got to think about that. So we got a lot going on with Bitcoin. We're going to take a look right here. Again, we're battling 72K. We're at 71.9 right now. Finance, babe. That's funny. We're just chilling here with Bitcoin. We're going to see if we could really get past the 72K. I'm going to go to the weekly now because we have the new week. Shout out to the new week. Like I said, we closed last week at the high of 2021, that wick high right there. And again, this was a beautiful breakout on the weekly. And I'm very, very blessed to be able to witness all of this. And I hope you guys feel the same way, because I just can't believe what's going on here. We have that green dot that's playing out really nicely here on Bitcoin weekly. Money flow is all right. VWAP I'm not totally in love with, but it's doing pretty good. And we have that RSI, which again is not even the highest it's ever been, even though we're at all-time highs, which I find highly interesting, where we slightly outperformed that RSI in 2017, May and December of 2017. And then we had right here in 2020, December of 2020 was where we had those ridiculous, where was December 2020? December of 2020 was right here, and we just had that massive push with the RSI that brought us to 36K from around that 18. So that was when we saw the craziest RSI. So I find that really interesting that we're at all-time highs and saw an RSI from when we broke that 20K initially. So that was just pretty wild. Pretty interesting to see on the weekly, not going to lie. But I want to see what happens this week. If we close this week in the red, if we maybe go back to where we started, or if we continue to take off and have the like kind of blue sky zesty run here. And especially when we have Ethereum, man. Ethereum is over $4,000 today. So freaking major props to Ethereum. Major. So Bitcoin is up 4.20% today. And Ethereum is up 4%, so killing it, Ethereum. We do have that VWAP that we wish was a little bit stronger here, especially because it's flat right now. We want that confident push upward. We have a really nice money flow. The red dot's taking down that momentum a little bit. The RSI mooning RSI. Some of the highest RSI we've ever seen. But again, we have outperformed that in 2017. 2020. So we haven't even seen the highest RSI that we could see on Ethereum yet. We are almost at all-time highs. We are in the golden zone, my friends, golden zone. Which was 60K Bitcoin, and on Ethereum it's around 39.50. And we've seen the tiff with this because again we had wick highs over the weekend trying to tackle it, but couldn't close there. Now we had that wick low today of 37.20. Taking us back up to this $4,040 that we're at now. So I'm hoping that we remain in the golden zone. We close above it because, again, we have major rejections here in 2021 multiple times. So I would ensure that maybe we can stay above this 4,000. And then the next level I'm watching is 4170.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Are you planning to stream on Easter Sunday? Also, will you be preparing any turkey?
Turkey for Easter? Do you do turkey for Easter?
LTC.
I don't even know if you do turkey for Easter, so I can't really answer that question. However, I don't know. I don't know if I will. I don't know if I will, Kimberly. Thank you for the Litecoin. I appreciate it. I love my Litecoin. Now, for Ethereum Weekly, it's doing really well. And we had two major rejections at this 39.50 level on the weekly in the past, which was, again, right here in May of 2021 and right here in September of 2021. And especially when we didn't hold support over here in January of 2022, we rejected. So I think this is a major point, extremely important to remain in the golden zone. Let's take a look on the weekly. We have very nice RSI. We have that green dot pulling that momentum like a slingshot. Also, I'm not really enjoying the VWAP. I'm noticing that the VWAP hasn't been too zesty, but I think it's doing substantially well. Green money flow is vibrant. So I'm vibing here. I'm pretty much vibing. Want to close the week above this 39.50. I'm hoping that this week doesn't bring us that pullback. But again, we're going to have a pullback at one point or another. Just don't know when that's going to be because we don't have a crystal ball out here. We don't have a crystal ball. I can't give you all the answers, but I could give you some zest and education on the way. Let's go back to the daily. We're going to talk about boopity doop. We're going to talk about Litecoin, man. Litecoin is so beautiful. I love Litecoin. Litecoin is like the bestest ever. And if you guys want to come to the Litecoin Summit, I highly encourage it. Less than one Litecoin can buy you a ticket, $84, that's all, to attend the Litecoin Summit July 24th to the 25th in Nashville, Tennessee. Geo, should I 100x long or short? We're going to have a pullback. Got it. Listen, listen, Gio, you're the shorter, and you're short as a person, so you understand like the short, mentality in general. And I'm just saying, when Bitcoin runs up, everyone's extremely bullish. That's usually when we have a pullback. But again, we don't know when that pullback's going to be because Bitcoin, when it keeps going up, it pulls back a little bit, sustains herself, and she collects her emotions as a woman should, and keeps on moving on. So, yeah. I don't know. You should understand the short mentality. We have $96.93 Litecoin, 10% in the green. And everybody, Litecoin doesn't move. Blah. Everyone, Litecoin, blah. Guys, there's rumors of a Litecoin ETF that are going to be drafted or proposed, and everybody slept at Litecoin. We were here when it was $40 right here in June of 2022. People were sleeping. They're like, Litecoin's so poopy. We're Litecoin. And then people slept again at $60 right here. Oh no, Litecoin. Man, no one's doing anything. Man. And then look at where we're at now. $97 out of the gates right now. And now people are like, oh, maybe I should have looked into Litecoin. Oh, that happens every time. Every time. Stan, you're not invisible. Don't worry. I see you, man. $97 right now. Green dot, beautifully printed on Litecoin. Finally, we got that freaking VWAP. I love this VWAP. Piping hot. Going over that zero line with confidence. We need confidence in this chat. Guys, do you have confidence? Are you excited about Litecoin? Do you guys think we're going to see a $100 Litecoin today? Do you guys think we're going to see a $100 Litecoin today? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, or put a 2 and a no emoji. Let me know. Let me know. We also have the RSI that is booming right now. Booming. Rejected off that overbought. Attacking it once again. We're going to see what happens. I'm very excited to see what happens with Litecoin RSI. I want to see if we breach that overbought and how far that could really take us. We had $98 Litecoin as the high. We're looking for $100, and then our next major level is that 103. Again, we have major wick highs here, major rejections at this level. So I really want to break that $100 psychological level and then go for that 103. I'm really excited, man. I'm so excited for Litecoin. Someone said, James, damn, Randy sold all my Litecoin at $72 you've been holding for 2 years. That happens a lot of times where people are like, oh, it doesn't move. And then once you sell, it happens. It's just the luck. But at the same time, this is the best technology in crypto, hands down. It's good for exchange. It's a good medium of exchange. It's a great store of value. It's everything in between. So I think this is something that's undeniable to me as when I think of the future of crypto and where this is all going. I see Litecoin being a part of that majorly. And we're already seeing it because, again, the same regulatory clarity that Bitcoin has, Litecoin has too, because it's the same thing, just a little bit different. But again, there was no pre-mine, proof of work, fair launch, all that good stuff. So again, the same regulatory clarity that Bitcoin has, Litecoin has to have too. So Litecoin's inevitable if Bitcoin's inevitable in my eyes. Now, I don't care about price particularly. I love talking about price, but at the same time, having money that belongs to you, censorship resistant, especially with Litecoin being private, Mimble extension blocks, the MWeb tech, OmniLite, all of those good things, just making Litecoin as beautiful as it is. We even have, again, on the weekly, where this is one of the highest weekly closes that we saw since July from 2 weeks ago. And then last week, we're slightly in the red. We had a low of $72, but closed at 87. Sorry, guys, 1 second. Okay, hold on, sound check. Ugh, come on. All right, I'm having some earbud issues, but that's fine. $97 Litecoin, and listen, it's pretty beautiful. And I'm hoping that we could close here, especially because we had this wick and then a lot of resistance at this level from February 2023. Major rejection after wicks tapping this level in 2022. So I would really watch out for Litecoin and see what happens here on the weekly, especially we had that green dot that pulled the momentum over. Money flow is all right. The VWAP is meh. The RSI looks pretty decent. It hasn't been overbought in a long time since 2021. So I'm interested to see if it crosses that line on that weekly, what would happen there. But $97, it's pretty beautiful. It's pretty beautiful. Hold on. What's playing right here?
Bitcoin.
Oh. Yes, my earbud's working again. Let's get it. All right. Sorry, guys. I'm having earbud issues, of course. But yeah, we're almost at our highs for the day for Litecoin. Oh my God. I'm so excited.
Oh my God.
Litecoin, killing the game. I love this freaking coin so much. I literally love Litecoin so much. Like my heart, bursts with love. Bursts. All right, let's go back to the daily. Geo coin. Oh gosh. I need a disclaimer in the chat, please.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
$2 from Wick 589. Meanwhile, XRP continues her slumber.
I'll get to it, Wick. I got you. I'll do that right after Dogecoin. Dogecoin, 17 cents this morning. Last week had that high of 20 cents, which was absolutely stunning. Still a red dot pulling that momentum down here, which I don't really like here. Yeah, VWAP doesn't look too snazzy, not gonna lie. Would like to see that over that zero line. We are overbought. Excuse me. Which means that we could cool off a little bit with Doge, but seems pretty nice that it's still in the green. We're up 1.7%. Kind of choppy over the weekend, but staying above this 14 cents is great. And again, looking for that 19 cents once again. Would love to see it on the weekly. We had some stunning weeks with Dogecoin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, like 5 nice green weeks. And then had that wick high last week, of course, to 20 cents. But on the weekly, we really want to try to tackle this 19 cents, especially because of the rejection and failing to establish support in the past and all that stuff. We need to have support established, man. Oh my gosh, no, G, hello, no. No, I miss you, bro. No, what are you up to? Wow. Yeah, 2F'er said Litecoin, no VCs, no pre-mine. Sound familiar? Exactly. It's literally the same regulatory clarity Bitcoin would have. And no one could deny that. No one can deny that. So people get salty. People get salty. Listen, just because it's the best thing hands down, and then when people get upset if it turns around the price and then they missed out, they're gonna be like, oh no, I messed up, man. I messed up. Litecoin ain't that bad. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see that, like, the hype that Bitcoin and Ethereum gets now is what other coins will have in the future. And if people don't see that, you have to think ahead, especially in this space. Why are you thinking that Bitcoin and ETH are going to be the only top two forever? Or, like, that they're always going to... I just don't understand how people think it's only them two when there's like nothing else that comes close, when there are cryptocurrencies that serve a huge purpose and have really great, amazing technology. So I think people are just a little bit slow right now, and eventually they're going to catch up. But it's just the way it is. And what is the news coverage? Just Bitcoin and ETH right now. Barely covers ETH. So just imagine when everything else gets covered too. But because we got that super chat from Wiki, we're going to check out XRP. That's 62 cents today, 1.9% in the green. We got that VWAP that is below that zero line. Would like to see some confidence there. The money flow is about to breach below that zero line. So again, that's not great. Red dot pulling that momentum down. I'm not seeing like the best of the zest here on XRP, especially. Again, just meh. Just straight up meh. So we obviously had that cup and handle here that worked out pretty nicely. We're still kind of battling that 200-day SMA. Yeah, and I'm looking for that 64 cents. Looking for that 64 cents. And again, if we reject the 200-day SMA, 54.5 could still be in the cards. But yeah, that's what I got. Still XRP, the same thing. Same thing. At 3 dickies, is XRP king of the? I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one. Dub Club, what do I think about Ron? When I hear, hold on, I got it. This is what I think when I hear Ronin, and then I think of like it's the token Ron. Oh my god, hold on. Oh. Where's the sound? I need to get the sound somewhere. Oh my gosh, where is this? Let's see. Oh my gosh, I need to get this sound. I gotta probably hit up Emma so she could find it. But I hear like just like Jersey Shore, run. I'm just making myself laugh. Oh my gosh, it's too funny, dude. I really wish I had that sound on deck. Just run. What are you doing, Ron? Let's look at Ronan. Let's look at Ronan. I can't. Okay, let's check it out. Tether. What? No way they just listed this on Binance. No. This doesn't sound right. This doesn't look right. What? This is confuzzling. All right, well, I don't really have that much data, so I can't really do much on it. I can't believe that. Like, I'm so confused. I thought they was listed for longer on all these exchanges. Maybe I just lost my noodle a little bit. But yeah, really the only thing I would look at is like, it's pretty much in price discovery mode. So all I could tell you is to look at like where it rejected off of right here, that $3.47. It's really all I can tell you there. Again, it's not really rocket science, but I can't. Mitt Gott, hello. Christopher Hanna, hello. Thoughts on Galler? Galler, hello Galler. Where's Galler? All right, so Gala, man, 74 cents. It's been a while since we took a look at Galler. I want to go to a Gala. Guys, can you comment in the chat? Have you ever been to a gala? Like, have you ever experienced that? Have you dressed in like those bougie outfits? Guys, put a 1 or a yes emoji if you've been to a gala, and put a 2 or a no emoji if you haven't. That's a genuine question. I would love to know. I want to see. Have you guys gone to a gala? I want to go to one. I want to wear a pretty dress. I want to look like cool and, you know, woohoo, I'm at a gala, woo. Do like a little dance in the center of the floor, you know. I don't know. Maybe I'm going off track here because we're at 0.74 cents, just below 7.5 cent Gala right now. Oh, Gala, we're down 9% today, but again, we established a nice support here at 0.044 cents, bringing us up to that 7.5, which again, we were in a major downturn for a while, and especially when this was a major rejection of the 7.5 cents back here in 2022, and in October of 2021, we had some support there, and it brought us to that 10 cents, and onwards and upwards from there. But we'll talk about that when we get there. Next target is that 10 cent psychological level, but kind of neutrally, not really bullish, but neutrally close at that 7 cents, which I think would be quite bullish for the macro. Juice goes, I'm not fancy enough. I feel that. Sometimes I go place, I'm like, I'm not fancy enough for this. Like, I don't know if I belong here. Wifey works at formal wear rental place. She goes to galas, even though we like couch parties more. You know, Wifey Wick, man, with those curls, she could dress up looking fire. Sharam said, sheesh, it's over. Don't worry, man. Don't worry. Listen, we don't know what's going to happen. we don't know what's going to happen in life. We're just here vibing. And that's the most important thing ever, that we're here, we're vibing. Bitcoin's at 72.2, trying to make her way downtown. We're making our way downtown, walking fast, faces past, she's homebound, boodly doodly doo. All right. So Bitcoin seems like she really wants to break all-time highs again. We're at 72.3, which is literally $100 away from all-time highs. I don't know, guys. Could we have another push? Push it. Push. I don't know.
Hucksters,
Gary
fraudsters,
Gensler must be pissed right now.
scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Ponzi schemes. Are we hucksters, fraudsters? Are we all the things that Gary claims we are? How many likes do we have? I don't even know. I haven't checked. We have 185 likes, guys. Let's smash these likes and share this out. We need 15 more for 200.
You've got to pump it up.
Pamp it up, don't you know? Oh wait, hold on. Sorry, I didn't know the music wasn't playing anymore. So yeah, we're trying to charge that 420. That's really what it is, 420. And of course, what do we got? 3 more subscribers left until we hit our goal of 15,715. 2 more. Woohoo! 1 more, guys. Come on, go. Get it, go. Yeah! Blowing it up. Bam. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my God. I love that my soundboard just thinks for me. Sheesh. The Gary Gensler comment, huckster, fraudster, scam artist, Ponzi scheme. Guys, 4 more. Let's do 15,720. I think that's good. I think we have synergy there. I don't know why my little ticker tacker keeps freezing over here. Are you okay? Okay, good. Got to check in and ask Bitcoin if she's okay once in a while. Like, everyone's like, what's Bitcoin doing? What's Bitcoin up to? How is, like what is Bitcoin doing? But, like, no one asks, like, Bitcoin, like, how are you? Like, how is Bitcoin? Is she okay? Like, people aren't really caring about her feelings, and that's what happens when you get caught up in craziness. Brian, what do I think about Jazmy? I have the chartery. Give me a moment here. I have the chartery. I got to switch time frames and such. Gotta switch the time frames. All right. Alrighty. I see. So, Jazmy, man, I have data that goes back to 2022. So I know this is through Coinbase. So let me know if there is another exchange that you would like me to take a look at. But I do have some chartery here. Now, what we're seeing are some levels that we were looking at in the past, which again seems so long ago that we were at that like 0.003 cent Jazmy. Now we're over 2 cents. So that's absolutely beautiful. The thing is, I don't like
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Much love all. 0.103655571 LTC.
Thank you. You're amazing. Thank you, David Lee, for the Litecoin. Guys, these Litecoin donations are like making my heart explode, just so you understand. I missed a super chat. Oh, Christopher Hanna sent a little thank you emoji, $10. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank you. And Chris Hanley, so Christopher Hanna sent that, and then Chris Hanley is a member for 9 months. And so thanks, Randy, for the hard work. We appreciate it. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, Chris Hanley. Freaking sheesh. Thank you for being a member. Guys, over 2 cent Jazmy. I love this for us. And we had these wick highs that pushed us to almost at 2.5 cents. So I would keep looking at that and try to push for that, but then bearishly look at that 0.018. Especially when we've had these rejections here at this basically 2.5 cents. So I would just be cautious of it before moving up to our next, which is probably going to be that 3 cents because it's psychological and such. But yeah, that's what I would watch out for there. Because we had that wick high to almost 3 cents, but not quite. 7 more likes for 200. Pump it up.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
I love to pamp. Do you guys like to pamp? I like to pamp. If you guys like to pamp, please make sure you guys put a rocket emoji in the chat. Please, if you're a member, and I hope y'all are members, please. Dave Digital, hello. It's like raining on your wedding day. It's a free ride when you're running late, Smokey Dan says. Imagine it rains on your wedding day. That would be like, oh, what a bummer. But you make it work when you're in love, you know? You make it work when you're in love. That's the whole thing. Like, we're not raining on anyone's parade. You know, Bitcoin, she's trying to hit that all-time high. And, you know, it's actually, like, a little bit ugly outside in New York, too. But, like, you know, you can't rain on love, man. You can't rain on love. And love prevails at all costs. Love prevails at all costs. And that's just the reality of the whole situation. And I hope you guys realize that love always comes through. Isn't that correct? Ice God in the chat. Who else is here? We have Flopping Groper. Hello, Nick. Hugs to you, Nick. Hope you're pamping those push-ups. You and Gio. I mean, Gio likes to short the market. He is a short person, but he does long his push-ups, and so do you. So shout out to all the Market Cipher friends in the chat, because they're doing, like, what is it? Nick or Gio, can you tell me what it is, what you guys are doing, so maybe other people could jump in on it too? I think it's every $10,000 for Bitcoin or something, you guys are adding 100 push-ups, or they're doing a bunch of push-ups to 100K Bitcoin, and they're getting jacked, man. They're pamping it up. And you guys know I like to, you know, obviously pump iron so we can pump markets here. I was at the gym yesterday. I'll show you guys proof of gym if it's still on my Instagram story. Let's proof of gym. Hold on. Proof of gym. Oh, it's still there. See, Sunday workout time, guys. Sunday workout time. I post my gymmery, and then I obviously went out to eat, which, I don't know. Is that like the best thing to eat after a workout? I don't know. But I was freaking hungry, so I'm going to do it. I was so hungry. Brian, the push-ups? Yeah. Hi, Brian. And then there's Bryant and Brian. Michigang, hello, nice to see you. Yeah, I need some more information about the push-up gang. 100 a day till you hit 100K. Oh, that's what it is. I thought it was correlated with price. So yeah, they're doing 100 push-ups a day till we hit $100,000 Bitcoin, which these guys are going to be freaking jacked. These guys are going to be jacked. So all these people that think like all these crypto nerds are just like little nerds, like, no, they're going to be jacked up men. And they're going to get after it. So that's beautiful. And as for the ladies too, like, we could pump iron to pump market, you know? Like, we're getting after it. I go into the gym, I hit my irons, you know, do all the squatteries and stuff. That last week I did leg day. I was freaking toast, man. I was toast. Yesterday was ab day. So, you know, we did like a lot of stuff. Need gym, that machines. Oh, yes. Farmer, that's genius. Everyone on those treadmills all day working these machines, and they use that energy to mine Bitcoin. Oh! Can we figure this out? Can somebody figure this out with us? That would be glorious. Oh, we might be going for Bitcoin all-time highs. Oh, poop. Oh, poop. 72,368. The high is 430 or 440 now. I have to check my other device to confirm. I have hiccups now too, which isn't the best thing ever, but I'm too excited. My body's just not functioning right. Oh my gosh, let's see. All right, guys, we're about to test those new all-time highs. A green, beautiful, shiny dot on Market Cipher. I'm checking my other charteries right now. Oh my sheesh. Tave said leg day every day. Tave, your legs must be humongous, man. 72,447. That's the high. We're $20 away. Oh my gosh! Whoa, guys, we just hit another all-time high. Holy poop! Guys, we're at all-time highs again. Oh my gosh! Guys, we're at all-time highs again. All-time highs again. We're at all-time highs again. Guys, are we going to hit $72,500 right now? Is this happening? Oh, my God.
Oh, my God.
Yes, 72.5. New Bitcoin all-time high. Oh, my gosh, 535. Did you guys see that? All-time highs again on the stream. Wow.
You got to pump it up.
Oh, wow. Guys, we're at all-time highs right now. Come on, Bitcoin go. Come on, Bitcoin go. Don't hit a new high and dump again. Just freaking go. Let's go. Oh, wow, guys, that was glorious. Guys, we just hit a new all-time high yet again on this amazing stream. I cannot believe that. Guys, Bitcoin, she wants to keep going. She wants to keep going and give us all that love. Rob C said the stream is lucky. It's not lucky. It's zest. It is zest. This is zest. There's no other way to describe it. I'm sorry. I feel like I sound like Donald Trump. There's no other way to describe it but zest. Zest, that's what brings the zest to America. Zest. It's huge. It's huge. China. Guys, this is ridiculous. I am so excited. Christopher Hannes, like, everyone do 50 push-ups. Let's go. I cannot do a push-up personally, but I encourage everyone else to do that. I will just do my regular gymmery. I don't know. I've never been able to do a push-up right. I just don't know what my problem is. I think I need help. Someone needs to teach me how to do a proper push-up. I don't know why I can't do it. I'm like a dysfunctional person. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. That's so funny. Michael, what are you doing? Jose's laughing at me. Hello, Totters 007. What do I think about WrestleMania? I don't have much thoughts on WrestleMania, to be honest. I mean, I can't. I'm gonna get canceled, but I can't talk about it.
You're welcome. Thank you.
But yeah, I'm not really happy with certain people that are showing up.
Here's to celebrate another all-time high. 75K won't be long now.
Yeah, Boo Man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sheesh. Emma still has no emojis. This poor kid is emojiless. I was going to say emotionless. She's not emotional. She's not emotional less. She has a lot of emotion. Andrew F. say, I'll do your push-ups. Thank you, Andrew. Proof of work. Thank you. Mike Shaw, shit, good morning to you. Hello, everyone. Guys, we just hit Bitcoin all-time highs yet again on the show because we are just that show that brings you that history. We are that show that brings you that love, that zest, and that connection to the human race. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. 72.4. Guys, we are getting after it, dude. We're getting after it. I can't believe this. Push-ups on live. I'm going to have to ask Nick and Gio to come over. If they want to do some push-ups, they'll do it on the live for me. Naren, hello. Nice to see everybody. Guys, we are about to crack maybe all-time highs again. Maybe the third time on the stream we'll hit all-time highs. I just can't believe what's going on. Yeah, poor Emma's got no emojis. I don't know. Johnny Chan said they already did 100 push-ups. Good for you, man. Get those push-ups. Get those push-ups. Randy for Prez. Imagine. I don't know. I don't want to be president. Like, that's the worst job ever. Like, literally the worst job ever. Guys, let's get that freaking Bitcoin all-time high. Come on. Let's go. 468. That's beautiful. 472. Green dot printing on market Cipher. Let's get it. Let's get it. I don't know. Are we going to get it? Are we going to hit that Bitcoin all-time high? I want to see a major run, but at the same time, I don't, because if we see a major run, we'll have a big pullback. I don't know. I feel like we've been steadily moving up. Right, Guhan? Krypton Air Money says Bitcoin to the moon. Cortez says definitely 80K coming. I don't know. Again, is 72.5 the new resistance? It seems like we keep hitting 72.5. And we keep, come on, Bitcoin, let's go. Don't trip up. Don't trip up. You can do it. Oh my gosh. Holy poop. New all-time highs again. Let's go. 578. Oh, wow. $72,578 is our new all-time high.
Oh, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Wow. No way. Wow. We just hit all-time high again. Again and again. We hit all-time highs on the show. Let's freaking get it. Let's keep going. Like, I want to see Bitcoin just go. Like, let's get it. I want to see it outperform each candle, close each in the green. Wow. Yeah, Litecoin's $98 right now, guys. My gosh, My noodle. I'm anxious, guys. I'm anxious. We're at new all-time highs for Bitcoin, and I'm so freaking emotional. Wow. Holy wow. KM said, woohoo. I feel that. I feel that. Woo! Wow. I cannot believe what's going on here. It has to rest before it can go. I agree. It has been resting, but she's still chilling at 530, 541. I can't believe what's going on right now. Man. And think about it. Retail's not even here yet. Nick says, gotta post proof of the push-ups. Yes, post proof of the push-ups. Tag me, tag Market Cipher in your post, please. Tag me, tag Market Cipher. Let them know that you are pimping that iron or pimping your own body muscles, because technically with the push-up, you don't need any machine. You got yourself, so pimp your own self. Funk, 3 of 4, last all-time high. Bitcoin doubled within 18 days. Van said, hello, everyone from Vietnam. Hello, my friend. Nice to see you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Man, this is pretty nuts. $98 Litecoin. That's so sick. That is so sick. Are we going to hit $100 Litecoin? Like, is this happening right now? Because, again, our resistance is at $97.15. We have a green dot on the minute. Whoa. For over $4,000 ETH. Red dot printing on the minute, though. Uh-oh. Red dot printed over here, too. Uh-oh. Hold on. What I need a sound here. What can I use?
They're not.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Wow. This is pretty nuts. Joe's Baker, I need sun fiber and charcoal. I know, I definitely, my body, she gets thrown off, man. She gets excited. So bad to the bone, yeah. Bad to the bone. I'm going to Lulu. Yes, I am, because this is so crazy to watch. Guys, 565. Like, that is so ridiculous. This is crazy. We're literally just sitting at historical levels. Like, what are we doing with ourselves? What are we doing? We're being zesty. That's what we're doing. I can't believe the madness. I don't know. Do you think we're going to chop it up from here, guys? Do you think we're going to have sideways action? Put a 1 or a yes emoji. Do you think we're going to keep going right now? Let me know. Put a 1 or a yes emoji for sideways, or put a 2 for takeoff. Sheesh, man. This is pretty nuts. I don't know. Seems like we're chopping it up now. Seems like we're a little choppy. Actually, let's go to the other time frames. Let's do 5 minutes. 5 minutes. A green dot's still playing out on the 5 minute. Is it going to print a red dot? That's my thing. Johnnyson, thank you. Hello. Let's see. Let's check in on our subbies. Look at that fly. Woo! Yo, that is amazeballs right there. That is amazing. Guys, 15,725. I think we can do it. Let's get 5 more subscribers. Pamp it up. You gotta pamp it. You gotta pamp it. Pollo says the crab walk. I don't know. It's possible. We could keep crabbing. Again, we're back down to 72.3. All right. I don't test all-time highs a few times, then bust out. Like in a bad way or a good way? Like in a bad way, like we're gonna break out, or a bad way, like we're gonna break down and it's gonna be a little bit ugly. Yeah, I'm just not too sure on what's gonna go on right now. Not too sure. Whenever I tune into your show, Bitcoin goes to all-time highs. That's the way we like it. That's the way we like it. 3 times it's happened. Yeah, happened 3 times on this stream. and happened like 2 times last week. So yeah, like we're getting after it. I think there will be more to come for sure. I agree with you, Naren. Soul Melt Up is very bullish. I agree more, and I agree. I'm with you. Just a little confused, man. I'm a little confuzzled. Like, I don't know if this is going to stay here or not. And again, $98 Litecoin is supreme. We hit a wick high of $98.44 Litecoin. That is so delicious, dude. That is like a beautiful like ice cream cone on a hot day. $100 Litecoin. Oof! That is beautiful. That is stunning. Randy shows move markets. I love that you guys are like, yes, the show moves the market. That's hilarious, dude. And you know what? I'm just blessed, man. It's a blessing that we all get to witness this, and it happens on the show, which is like, every time we hit a ceiling, it pulls back, tries a few times, and then breaks through. It does. It's true. Eric Carlson, nice to see you. Whew. I don't know, guys. I'm a little shook. I'm so excited. Like, dude, it seems like Bitcoin's really powering through right now. Again, and it's the 420 resistance that we keep hitting, and then, or obviously our new highs that we have to get through. 4.8% in the green right now. I don't know. Oh, Joe, that's very sweet. Thank you for that. Much love to your best friend Tom. Yeah, this is nuts, dude. I don't know. It seems like we're chopping it up now. Everything alive doesn't stay where it is. Yep, it's true. It's true. Let's see. Green dot, moving this down. Let's go to the 15. 15-minute dumperoo. But still, the green dot there. That's printed. Sideways VWAP. What do you guys think of Girl Scout cookies? Guys, I'm going to tell you, I got Girl Scout cookies over the weekend. Do you guys know what Girl Scout cookies are? Oh, hi, Hannah Hughes. Welcome. Do you guys like Girl Scout cookies? Can I have a one-word yes emoji or two and a no emoji? Do you guys know about Girl Scout cookies? Have you guys ever had a Girl Scout cookie? Van Gain, hello. Rich, thank you for the 2 roses and the heart puffles. I appreciate that. The hour chart still looking pretty decent. A green dot on the hour. So the hourly looks pretty good. I don't like the thin mints. I'm going to say that, Wick. I don't like the thin mints. I don't know. Do you guys like it? Hold on. I got to show you. As we're seeing what Bitcoin's going to do next, even though we're running back up to those all-time highs. So I got some Girl Scout cookies over the weekend, and this isn't even like all that I wanted. There were a bunch more that I wanted. But this one, we got the Adventurefuls right here. Shout out to the Girl Scouts, man. Like, these I haven't tried these. I'm going to admit, I haven't tried these, but they look pretty good. Thin mints, I'm just not a fan of like mint and chocolate, man. I just can't do it. But I know it's popular for like everybody else. Me, I love the tag-alongs. Oh my gosh, Andrew F. Just as I said, he wrote tag-alongs. Tag-alongs are so good. Crispy cookie with peanut butter drenched in chocolate. Oh my God. So I had to get these. I saw these were available. These are the Samoas. So it's a crisp cookie with caramel, coconut, and dark chalky on it. Oh my God. Woo! So good. Hold on. I got to show them to you guys. We obviously ate some, so, don't shame. But still, these things are the actual sheesh. Like, look at these. Oh, my gosh, man. So, shout out to the Girl Scouts for making some fire cookies, because I was about to get the tag-alongs. The do-si-dos are so good. I was about to get the s'mores, which the s'mores they remind me of the s'mores Pop-Tarts, so I'm like all on that stuff. Yeah, so I got some Girl Scout cookies over the weekend. I was so freaking excited. I got a red light. I basically jumped out the car. Obviously, I wasn't driving. I basically jumped out the car for this. Oh my gosh, loved it. Wayne, good morning. Cybermine, you say do-si-dos. I love do-si-dos. Those are fire cookies. But I had to get the Samoas, and then Emma wanted to try the other one, so I got those. But I regret not getting more. I'm not going to lie. I regret not getting more. I just feel like a pleb now because I didn't get more. Tagalongs and Samoas are all you need, I guess. I regret it, Boo Man. I should have gotten more. I should have gotten those Tagalongs, man. Litecoin, $99. Are we going to see a $100 Litecoin? Holy what? Guys, we might see a $100 Litecoin. I don't know. We have the VWAP moving. Red money flow. It needs to pick up. It has like curvature. $99 Litecoin. No freaking way. Guys, Litecoin finally having some zest.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Dude, this is the highest price for Litecoin since July of 2023. Wow. I don't know. I'm enjoying this, guys. I'm enjoying it. I don't know about Bitcoin. I don't know if we're going to sideways trade. Wow. Oh my gosh. $99.55 Litecoin. Holy what? Oh my gosh. Are we going to hit a $100 Litecoin? If we hit a $100 Litecoin, I'm going to actually cry major tears. I'm going to cry major tears. We are literally less than 40 cents away from Litecoin hitting $100. Guys, are we going to hit a $100 Litecoin? Is this going to happen? What? Oh my sheesh. Oh my sheesh. Hold up, Litecoin. Pause. Green dot playing out? I don't know, guys. What's happening here? What is the madness? No way. No way. Come on, Litecoin, go. Go, Litecoin, go. This is dramatic. This is dramatic. $99.50. If we hit a $100 Litecoin on the show, I might cry. Like, this is ridiculous. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Wow. This is pretty. Holy poop. 66 cents. Oh my God. 99.69. 99.71. Oh, wow. Is Litecoin going to hit this $100 right now? Are we going to hit a $100 Litecoin? I can't. 25 cents away. Less than 25 cents away we just were. Litecoin, no. Litecoin, no. No way. 99.75, 99.76, 77. Go, Litecoin, go. Go, Litecoin, go. This is the 3 minute. Let's check the minute. Uh-oh, red dot on the minute. No! No! Oh, man, that was nuts. Oh my gosh, Bitcoin. Bitcoin. What's going on, Boo? Tell us what's going on. 72.5. Green dot on the minute. VWAP going. Momentum going. RSI going. Can we have another move? Sheesh. This is crazy. Duke Burger, hello. Wow. Dude, no way. Dude, was that all-time highs? Oh, we just hit all-time highs again. Oh, or technically not. Oh, wow. Dude, are we going to see all-time highs again? No way. Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. You can do it. Oh my gosh, no way. So we have $99.60 Litecoin, $72,525 Bitcoin, and $4,000 Ethereum. That is Ridiculous. Crypto savings expert, shout out to you. Wow. No way. Can we go? Ooh, oh my gosh. $99.91 Litecoin. No way. No way. Are we going to hit $100 Litecoin on this darn stream? Go. Litecoin, go. Go, Litecoin, go. You can do it. Litecoin, you can do it. $100 Litecoin! What? Guys, $100 Litecoin! Oh my gosh! 101! $101 Litecoin! Oh!
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
That is freaking crazy. That is freaking crazy. We're up 15%. $100 Litecoin. Wow. 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 That is so holy poo-poo. Whole 101.41. Guys, our resistance, our next level is at 102.98. Are we going to get there? Are we going to get there? Wow. No way. I'm tweeting about this. I'm freaking tweeting about this. I am tweeting about this. $100 Litecoin. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. This is amazing. I can't believe my eyeballs. $101 right now. No way. This is beautiful. We've been waiting for this. Wow. Holy wow. Wow. I'm astonished. 101.92? Are we going to get to this 102.98 resistance? 102! No way! What? Oh my, I need to go. I need to go. I need to go. 102.69! 102.73. Are we going to hit our 102.98 resistance? Oh my God! We're going to do it. We just did. We just did. Wow, look at that wick. Exactly. Oh my, no. $103. Litecoin, you beast. Litecoin, you beautiful piece of technology. Oh, whoa. Dude, my mind. My mind. Holy. This is ridiculous. This is 17% now. Guys, we just watched $103 Litecoin. What? I just don't even know if I can conceptualize. I don't know if I can conceptualize everything that just happened. Fred said, what are we talking about? We're not talking about stocks. We're talking about Bitcoin, crypto, the amazing space that this is, and specifically Litecoin. $102. Oh, I need to take a seat. I don't know what I need. I think I need love. Everyone in this chat, can I have love, please? Can you guys give me what's good? Guys, all the members, please give me the SpongeBob emoji. The legal. I'm going to cry. Tears flow. This is spectacular. $102 Litecoins went right to our line, went complete. Bitcoin new all-time highs. Is this new all-time highs? Almost. A few dollars away. We were at 72.6. We were at 72.6. Green dot just printed. Let's go. Bitcoin, pamp it.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh my gosh. No way. No way this just happened. Please give me all the love in the chat. Give me every piece of it that you have in your body, and I will give it right back to you. I'm gonna freaking cry. This is insane. This is insane. Oh my gosh, guys, please like, subscribe, share this out with friends. How many subscribers we got? Wow. 15,721, guys. Let's get that 15,739 more subscribers. Piano Matty B, sing it for us, bro.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video? Bing bong.
Guys, we're about to break all-time highs again. Watch out. Watch out, kiddos. This is about to get spicy. No way, dude. Oh! New all-time highs. Was that it? I think that was it. I think those were new all-time highs again. New all-time highs again. Again and again and again and again. All-time highs. Again on the show. Eric Carlson, welcome to the Zesty fam. Just joined as a member. Guys, make sure you have that membershippery. Make sure you have that membershippery. Guys, we just hit all-time highs again with Bitcoin. What a blessing this is. Holy wow. New all-time highs for our baby Bitcoin. For our baby Bitcoin. My heart, she's racing. She's racing. Yeah, dude, this is... I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. I am speechless. Guys, we have so much love in this community, so much love in Bitcoin that this is what happens. This is what happens when you have love, when you have zest, when you have spice in your life. This. We are at new all-time highs for Bitcoin. My mind is kaplued. Come on, Bitcoin, go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Dude, it's so nuts. It's like literally at all-time highs and in price discovery mode, but she's kind of like iffy about her next step. Has this resistance here now at 598. I don't even think it hit the 72.6 yet. Let's see. Let's look at my other apps. Let's see. Why don't you like, subscribe? Yep, dude. Oh, thank you, Naren. Naren, you weren't subscribed already? Yep, 72.6. 72.6, it's official. It's official. Oh my God, 72,611. Oh, whoa. We're at new highs again. We're at new highs again. Again and again and again. Oh my gosh. Ban Gain said your company is now a multi-millionaire. That's beautiful, Ban. 72.7. What? 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 72.7. Ho. Bitcoin. Boo, you are going crazy today. No way this is going on right now. No way. 72.7. Wow, guys, we got a new all-time high again for Bitcoin. No way. 72.7, we are officially at all-time highs. Andrew F. Oh, Andrew, you became a member of the Zesty fam. Thank you for joining in this historic moment. Shout out to the Everlasting Bliss in the chat. Hello to you. Guys, we're at all-time highs for Bitcoin. This is a lot. This is a lot to handle. I'm not going to lie. I cannot believe what we're witnessing today. And I am so happy to be able to have this opportunity to watch with you guys. Wow. I literally can't, I don't even know if you could see it on the camera, but I have chills. I have little goosey bumps. I don't even think you can see it on the camera. Goosebumps all throughout my body. This is crazy. Crazy. Brain. Let's look. Seems like we're dumping a little bit off the high, as usual. Ooh. I mean, it's only $200. I mean, is it the worst thing ever? $300 now? No. This is what Bitcoin does, though. That's what we've been seeing. Wow. I literally have chills. Like, I literally have goosebumps. I cannot believe this. This is magical. This is magical. 72.7, guys. 72.7 is what we just witnessed. And now we're dumping to 72.3. Ooh. Are we going to go below 72K? No. Bitcoin, Bay, don't do this. Look at that. Instant dumper. Instant flush. But you know what? It should. Squeaky McGee. We should do this every day. I'm with you, man. Let's do it every day. Uh-oh. Are we going to get defended here? Let's see. Let's see what happens. Come on, Bitcoin. Pick her up. Dude, we're at $102 Litecoin. I'm literally losing my mind right now. This is ridiculous. People are taking profit? Yep, that's for sure. Here, for no G, man.
A potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse me.
No way. The potatoes are flying, dude. The potatoes are flying. All these plebs don't even know what to do with their money right now. They don't know what to do. $72,000 Bitcoin. I had people tell me that Bitcoin would never break 50K. Never. And look at where we're at. This is ridiculous. Drama queen. Don't. I am dramatic, but it's a freaking relevant right now. Relevant. I don't know. It seems like they're trying to defend 72 and keep it above. Yeah, I don't know. The potato chip bag exploded. Basically, man. Basically. Yeah, we have $101 Litecoin, $4,040. Yeah, $4,040 Ethereum, 17.5-cent Doge. Oof. Kirk McIntyre, hello. You can see this reflected in IBIT. Should we look at the ETFs? I guess we could. All right, let's take a look. Let's look at the ETFs. Go to daily. Go to the IBIT. Let's see. Oh, oopsie, I pressed the wrong button. Yeah, we're at $41 for IBIT. This is the BlackRock one, the BlackRock ETF. Up around 5%, almost 5% today. Yeah, it just seems like it's doing pretty good. I mean, obviously, it's at all-time highs. That's undisputed here. But yeah, seems like that's doing pretty well, especially staying above $40. Had that wick high the other day rejected. Opened it there today. Pretty decent. 72.3, man. I can't. I'm so excited, man. Is this time different? Yes, it is too, After. You're correct. Wow. Bitcoin. It's just emotional watching the whole thing. This is where it all began. Began all the way back here. All the way. Just ridiculous, man. This is the hourly. Let's see. We got the day. Hmm. 72.3. It seems like 72.3 is really where we always come back to. Bitcoin fell off the wagon. It's still wagoning, man. Lazarus, relatable. He said, bombastic side eye for all of my friends who told me to sell the crypto. Yeah, everyone was upset. Everyone was like, oh yeah, like we're not gonna have any crypto, dude. And now look at where everyone's at. Oh, that Bitcoin, right? That Bitcoin. What's the best altcoins I own? I don't tell people exactly what I own. You could probably I don't really tell people what I own. I mean, obviously I outwardly have spoken about how I own Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, and Doge, obviously, because and people have donated stuff to me too. So it's pretty much I own a handful of things. But again, I don't tell people what to buy, when to buy, or how much to buy. Yeah, exactly. It's not like we fell below 70K, like Ray K is saying. It's not really that bad. 72.3 is pretty good, especially for retracing, right? Yeah, this is pretty interesting. Lindy Wee, I think that's how you pronounce your name. I apologize if it's wrong. They said, first time here and loving you. Well, thank you so much. Welcome to the show. Let's see. Pepe. Yeah, Pepe's been lit. Pepe's up 4% today, going off. Let's look at Pepe. Look at Pepe, man. Just ripping, man. Ripping. So, yeah, Pepe's at new all-time highs. Price discovery. Digibyte. Oh, my God. Yeah, Digibyte is sick. Looking for that 0.018, but establishing and having some nice support. I got a penny and a half. Go Digibyte, man. Digibyte's been waiting for her day. She's getting some. Up 6%. Memory. It's like, holy moly. Yeah, man. This is nuts. Absolutely nuts. I'm so happy, man. And we covered a lot of news today, too, earlier. It's not going to be over, guys. It's not going to be over. Let's look at the minute again. We're back at 420. Wow, this is pretty sick. This is pretty sick. Yeah, spring break is going on right now. Spring break, man. Spring break is pretty zesty, man. But again, like you got to pick and choose your spots now. Spring break is like it's hard to find a good spot for spring break right now. But Bitcoin's on spring break. She's having a time. I think I need a cookie, man. I think I need a cookie. Let's see. Let's have a cookie, everyone. We're gonna have a little Samoa cookie out here because we need snacks while Bitcoin is pumping. You can't just sit here with no snacks. Look at this go. Yeah, 72,420. It's like we keep hitting the wall there. Yeah, Girl Scout cookies are yummy, dude. Absolutely. 15-minute. Doesn't look too bright. Though, anything could really happen. You see the Christmas tree action. So just because there's a red dot doesn't mean that it's totally a bad situation. But man, isn't it nice to see? So we're like consolidating on the 15-minute. 5, same thing. Most recently, a red dot, Christmas tree action going on. And yeah, it's like 72.2. Tommy Guns NYC, hello. Welcome to the channel. How many subscribers we got? One more until we hit our goal. One more, guys. 725. We could do it. Let's see, on the 5-minute. I want to see how Bitcoin reacts to this line right there. Oh boy. Oh boy. Litecoin is still going. We're at $102. Had a wick low to 101. But not falling below $100 immediately was bullish. 5-minute chart. VWAP is sideways, a little flat. Red dot was printed, but that's because we hit the high. Oh, well, hit one of the highest levels we've seen in a very long time, since at least July of 2023. Unless it even maintains 101. If it stays above $100, especially because it hasn't been there in a long time, that's pretty bullish. And on the minute, that's a tight consolidation. Red dot though. Green dot's still playing out on the 30-minute. Pretty interesting. The 4-hour is like a boom slingshot. Green dot still playing out on the 4-hour for Litecoin. I can't believe we almost like hit $104. That's pretty insane for Litecoin. She needs this. So the 4 hours are looking pretty good. The hourly is looking okay, but it seems like the lower time frames are just not as bright and shiny as I want them to be. Jen C from X, hello, nice to see you. Alex O'Crypto, the Otter Gang, hello. Paul Weston said, in New Zealand dollars, Bitcoin hit all-time highs. Wow. That's beautiful. We hit all-time highs all around the world before we hit in the U.S. Sorry, I had to grab a little napkin. Mike Shawshig said, Randy, I'll never forget when you helped me set up my Cake wallet and get your Litecoin off of the exchange. Friggin' Matt, man. I'm so happy. I'm happy you got your crypto off of the exchange. Happy you used Cake wallet of all things, being that it is open source and probably the best wallet out there, man. And I truly love Cake wallet. Love the team. Again, shout out to Vic. Shout out to Vic. I love Vic. This seems appropriate. Yeah, I know. We do need more food. We need food to celebrate this. This is a huge win. Jen, what do I think about Litecoin? I kind of went through my Litecoin rant already, but Litecoin is the best, one of the best pieces of technology in the space, hands down. Longest running blockchain with no downtime. Finite supply of 84 million, 1-to-4 ratio with Bitcoin. Has that halving every 4 years like Bitcoin, where you also have OmniLite, Mimblewimble extension blocks, aka MWeb technology that gives privacy and fungibility to Litecoin, which Bitcoin doesn't have. It's also the birthplace of Lightning Network, which Bitcoin maxis tend to forget in their business model when they say Bitcoin only, yet Litecoin was the reason for it. And the first ever transaction was with Jack Mallers and Charlie Lee, the creator of Litecoin. So Jack Mallers doesn't give credit where credit's due there either. And we also have the fact that it's the same regulatory clarity as Bitcoin. There was no pre-mine. It's proof of work. So that is what we love about Litecoin. And like I said, it's the longest running blockchain with no downtime. Litecoin scales for payments. It scales for everything. There's millions of inscriptions, wallet addresses, a lot being moved every day. And again, it still functions as it's supposed to. Dukes, I feed Emma. Do I have to leave and feed Emma? Paul Weston, chilling with the all-time highs over there in New Zealand. There's no second best. Also Litecoin is second best. That's funny. Here's a little laugh for you. I don't know. Do I need to do I have to make cookies today? Is this what's gonna happen? Thanks so much for the info. Jen says, where'd your comment go? I'm gonna break all-time high for high or no soon. I don't know that. See, I don't care about price. I love watching price, but I can't tell you if Bitcoin's gonna hit if Litecoin's gonna hit all-time high soon, because it hasn't hit all-time high in a very long time. One and two. We've been telling people about Litecoin since I got into crypto and I remember when I created my account, Litecoin was like what was it? I could actually just go look back instead of guessing here. I think it was like 20 something bucks. September 2020. Hold on. December 2020. I remember seeing Litecoin over here too, for sure. Like 43 bucks. 25, yeah. 25 March of 2020. And then April of 2020 was when I got in, like when I created missteencrypto around here. So yeah, Litecoin, I was pretty on target there. Litecoin was like 30 bucks. When I first got into crypto. Not really crypto. I got into crypto way before that. But when I created my account, I should say. Yeah, Litecoin was freaking 25 bucks, around 25 bucks, 30 bucks. And then we ran to some highs in 2021. That wick high right here of $413. Obviously, we retraced heavy off of that. Most altcoins did. Went down to this low of around 43 bucks. People still slept on it. They're still sleeping on it. So I can't really tell you what to do with your money. But at the same time, like, I look at what is good for money and what I would use if I was going to a store. And that is Litecoin. The halving was in, what was the halving? August, I think, Gen Z? I think we were on the show. We were celebrating it. I feel like it was over the summer. I think it was July or August. Litecoin was less than $5 in 2017. Yup, absolutely. Absolutely. But make sure that as we're talking about Litecoin, you guys come to the Litecoin Summit in Nashville, freaking Tennessee, July 24th to the 25th. It is going to be an amazing conference. And I am so freaking excited for it. And I love Litecoin to the max. I love Charlie Lee. I love the Litecoin Foundation. I love everybody that has to do with this darn conference. So I highly encourage you guys to come. It would be so amazing just to meet all of you guys and share that love for decentralization, privacy, and everything that comes along with it. There's amazing speakers that are popping out to the conference, so I highly encourage you guys to check it out. But yeah, Litecoin is at its highest levels since right here in July of 2023. We saw in July we had that 113 wick high of $115 Litecoin. And we retraced off of that and came back really, really strong, cup and handled that B. And look at where we are now. Look at where we are now. Bacon, eggs, and hash. When I first started mining, I watched a YouTube video on cell phone mining Litecoin. 5 coins a day? Holy. Imagine 5 Litecoin a day off of your phone. I would cry. I would have done it. I would have done it. Yumo, investing. Thank you for the roses. Glander. What are my thoughts about Litecoin having that just passed? Everything went quiet after that. Yeah, see, like typically if you look at Litecoin and its halvings, it hasn't performed well post-halving. It dipped post-halving and then like eventually recuperated. So, you know, again, I don't really have a price prediction for you. I don't have price predictions, but I think, again, Litecoin is the best technology. It's feasible for value transfer. It's feasible for money. It's a good medium of exchange. And again, like Michael Saylor even said, Bitcoin's your property and it's your store of value, but you need something for a medium of exchange, and that's Litecoin. I don't care what anybody says. That's what I would use. And there could be something that comes out tomorrow that's so much better. But as of right now, the current environment that we have, Litecoin is the best for value transfer. Besides Digibyte, because Digibyte's under the rug right now. Like Digibyte is like, you know, that little like brother where you have like, you know, the dad, which is Bitcoin, has the kids, Litecoin's the older brother that, you know, people know about, but he's a little shy. Like they still know the dad, you know, they know the papa, but and Litecoin's like that other guy that's like a little bit shy. And then you have like the little brother that's Digibyte, and Digibyte's just growing up right now. She's stretching her legs, growing as a human being. She's getting after it, Digibyte, but she's laying low. Litecoin is the next. That's when he's going to step up and he's going to be like, I'm the man in the house now. That's it. I want Charlie Lee to sign my first GPU used to mine crypto. That's awesome, man. Listen, bring it to the summit. You never know. You never know. Hopefully you can get that done. Champ, nice to see you. He said XRP is moving. 68 cents, finally. It's probably just moving because the rest of the market's moving, or they came out with some partnership that totally is going to happen that maybe won't. So 68 cents right now, 11%. Had a really nice spike, but again, we're looking for that 71 cents, closing above 64. But at least it moves. Any news on the settlement? I don't have any I didn't see anything new. Let's see. Yeah, I really don't. I don't see anything here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
$5 from Matt K. Casper is the Litecoin killer. 1 block per second, 20 blocks per second on testnet now.
That's a lot. That's a lot. So listen, I give props. I give props, but again, it hasn't been around for too long, Caspa. So I'm a little skeptical. But if it works, it works. And that's what I encourage, is something that works. Listen, I only have data that goes back to 2022 on the charts at least. So I can't tell you too much for the endurance of it, but I just need to see it last longer. I need to see it last longer. It hasn't been around for too long. There's a few issues I know that Caspa has. So I'm just going to say it needs more development. It needs more time in the market for me to be able to even come close to feeling that way. But yeah, Bionic, I just got you with the XRP. But yeah, I can't tell you much about the Caspas, man. I just know Litecoin for sure has my back. Smokestream, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It seems like, again, we're kind of sideways. We're at 72.1. Came off of the high at, well, what was the exact high? Let's get the exact new high right now. Ba-da-doo, boo, 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 boo-doo-doo. So the new high officially is $72,764. So we are getting after it. We're still above 72K. As of right now, we're at $72,089. So we're at risk of maybe falling below that 72K. But the fact that it's holding for this long, savage. So props to Litecoin. Look at the all-time graph chart on Digibyte. I could zoom out on this. So yeah, we had obviously this major run with Digibyte back in the day. This was 2021. That brought us to 18 cents, right? Boom. And then 2021 cooled off and brought us to where we are now. Maybe I could get a better coin market cap. There we go. Let's go to Digibyte. Maybe they have it. Maybe they could give us some nice stuff. Well, yeah. So you guys could see in 2017, again, we had that high of 11.5 cents. Came back down to literally half a penny. Yeah, half a penny. Went up to its high over here of 15 cents in the last bull run. Came back down to literally that penny again, below a penny we were at. And is making its way over a penny again. So yeah, that's the past bull runs have done well for Digibyte. But again, we don't have a crystal ball. We don't know anything for sure. But yeah, Digibyte has done well in the past bull markets. That's for sure. That's true. Can't deny it. The facts are facts right in front of you. So, but yeah. If Bitcoin hits $77,777.77, you're going to Vegas. Be careful, dude. Please be careful. You see, this is when the degenerate part comes out, guys. Please be careful. Maintain your wealth, and have that bullish and bearish case scenario. And again, do what you will with your money. But if you're going to gamble, have a set amount and don't touch anything beyond that set amount. Because again, we don't want you losing your wealth that you just worked so hard and waited for years, and now you're just gonna casino it in the Vegas. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. So I think one thing is in order out of all of this, and I think you guys might agree, which is what I'm gonna ask you guys in the chat. Should I, Riz Lord? I see you in there, Riz Lord, with the roses. Thank you. Should I rave? Is this appropriate? Is this appropriate? Should I rave? Rave question mark. Rave question mark. Do I rave? If you guys think I should, put rave in the chat. Type it out. I'm just not sure. Do I rave? Is this appropriate? Is this not supposed to happen right now? Because we have $101 Litecoin, $4,000 Ethereum, $72,000 Bitcoin hit an all-time high multiple times on the stream today. Because Pickaboo, I see you, Pickaboo. Pickaboo, I see you. Clay the goat. Clayt the great. The goat's the great. I'm just making up names for people now. Do I rave? Do I rave? I don't know. I need to see enthusiasm in here. I need to see enthusiasm. Need to see enthusiasm. Let's see. Let's see. Should I rave? I need to see raves in the chat. We need to see raves in the chat. We need to see raves in the chat. We need to see a rave in the chat. It's almost like I have so much energy. I want to go to the gym again. Yeah. But today's a rest day, so I don't know. I got to see. All right. Do I rave? I don't know. Maybe you have to subscribe for the rave. How many subscribers we got? Oh, can we get 3 more? 3 more. Maybe I could rave after 3? 730? 3 more subscribers? Uh-oh. Guys, make sure you like, subscribe.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this?
All right, I think we're gonna rave. We're gonna rave because I know you guys are gonna subscribe after. So let's get it. Ready? Let's get it. Let's go. Ready? I hear it already. Let's get it. Gotta upper this in my ears. Let's get it. That was amazing, man. Oh, poop. Yo, the rave has brought zest as you guys are subscribing to the channel to Litecoin. Litecoin Bay. We just hit 100. Was that $104? 103.86. Litecoin, my Bay. 103.74. Wow. Straight up, wow. Dude, no way. Wow. Literally, the rave just pamped the market. We fell below 72K when we started that rave, and now after post-rave, we are above 72 again. Wow, dude. No way. Yeah, the bucket hat is legit. Shout out to Market Cipher, man. I love this hat. Like, I was going to use it to, like, for beach outings and stuff, but I was like, I can't ruin it. Like, if something happens to this hat, I'm going to be so upset. I love it so much. It's so comfy. It's like my favorite bucket hat. There's no other bucket hat I like more than this. People are warning about Uphold. Yes, please, guys, be aware of Uphold and all of the exchanges. Please make sure you have your crypto off of the exchanges if it matters to you. Because, again, you don't want to lose your money. You want to be your own bank, which is why we're sponsored by Cake Wallet, because they're the most amazing open source wallet that's out there, period. Guys, we have 247 likes. Can we get that 250? Let's get 250 out here. 3 more, because I see 246. So 4 more, guys. Let's get it. Do. Wow. All right, guys. Well, sheesh, we've had some crazy price action today. And I'm so excited about it. So thank you, guys. Wow. Like, wow, this is ridiculous. Take a look at the subscribers. We're still at the same, 15,727. So let's pamp it up. Let's get 3 more. 730. Pamp it up.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
We can do it. 2 more likes, Black Cat says. 2 more likes. All right, guys. Listen, pamp it up. 2 more likes. We got those 3 more subscribers. Galaxy, be your own bank, be your own boss. Absolutely. Because, guys, this is a revolution, man. And I love price action. Just like the next guy or the next gal or the next pleb. I love price action. But here's my thing, man. It doesn't matter what price Bitcoin is at. Why? Because you have to have money that belongs to you. You need money that no one can take from you, that's not constantly devalued by centralized entities that print and print and print. This is a peaceful revolution, and this is proof. This is proof that the revolution is working. So, guys, please keep calm. Hodl on, keep your crypto off of the exchange, be your own bank, because we do have global bank failures. We do have a global financial crisis that we are enduring right now. So please be aware, and please make sure you hedge against that. Have an amazing day. Shout out to X, where we have literally 1,296 live people watching. That is absolutely ridiculous. Shout out to my Xers. You guys are amazing. Shout out to everybody on YouTube too. We are taking off, man. Like, this community is so beautiful. I remember when this was such a small show when we first started it. And we had I think there was 20 main people here that for a long time, and now we're just booming with a lot of people, a lot of love, a lot of zest. So I'm so thankful to be able to share historical moments like all-time highs with you, and it gets me emotional talking about it. I'm so emotional, but it makes me emotional talking about it because just wow, we've gone through so much together, the highs, the lows, the in-betweens, and our mission has always remained the same on the channel, which is life, liberty, and property, prosperity of every single individual on this planet. So I'm just so honored that I'm able to share that with you. And I highly encourage you guys, as you guys are getting into this space, as you have new people that are coming into this space, we have great freaking educational platforms that we're a part of, like Crypto Savings Expert. And I just love looking at their news. I love looking at their academy. And again, the education is key. So please make sure you guys go to Crypto Savings Expert with the link in the live chat in the description. Just literally get after that education, learn what you can with resources like this, where you could just take these little mini courses, have a little quiz, and it helps you so much. So I really do encourage the education, the zest, everything. Shout out to Diesel, that's been here for about a year. This is how long the show has been going on, over a year now, and we've gone through so much together, and we've celebrated history on this channel multiple times. So again, I say thank you for being there with me. I'm happy I'm there for you. And if Bitcoin starts to take off again, and we see some more major zest, then I will be back. So again, make sure if you haven't yet, you subscribe, share this video out with friends. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I will see you guys later. I will see you guys tomorrow or later if we continue pamping to infinity. I will come back and we'll get after it again. So thank you guys again. Have an amazing day, a happy Monday. And as always, stay zesty. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. Oh my gosh. See you guys later.
Hucksters.
We went over this on Friday. You said you weren't going to do this
artists,
this week.
Ponzi schemes,